Merry Christmas everyone. Here's a video that some of you have been waiting for, the FischerTechnik unboxing. So, I met a really nice guy called Frank at a show, and he was telling me how FischerTechnik was far superior to LEGO Mindstorms, and I was like, no, can't believe it, send me one if you want to prove it. So he did. So one of the things I want to note is with this set, you require the add-on battery set. What I've looked up at pricing this together is about £350, which is obviously more than the LEGO Mindstorms retail set, but I'm not sure how much the education set goes for. The battery is 8.4 volts. The LEGO Mindstorm runs at 7.4 if I remember, and is 2000 milliamps, and this is 1500 milliamps. So this should be more powerful on the motors because the voltage is higher, but won't last so long. So this is definitely required if you buy this. I think that's caught some people out on Amazon. So it's got 310 parts inside, whereas the LEGO one's got about 550. Things that really kind of jump out and you're like, oh, this could actually be really cool is it's got a colour touchscreen processor. It's got a USB camera to detect objects. That could be really cool. If that works, that could actually be really cool. NTC resistor. I have no idea what that's for yet. It makes 14 models. It's got a dual processor, an ARM Cortex A8 and a Cortex M3. Again, not sure why you need that. 128 meg of RAM and flash. You can put a SD card in it. It's got 8 universal input digital out analog, 4 high-speed numerical inputs, 4 motor outputs, 9 volt. I don't know how it could be 9 volt if it takes an 8.4 volt back. Or maybe it transformed up, I guess. It's got a combined Bluetooth and wireless module. That's pretty cool. Out of the box, the EV3 doesn't have a built-in Wi-Fi. Again, one thing we've got to bear with this could have the best technology in the world, but if it doesn't actually work very well, but if it does work as really seamless as some of the LEGO stuff, could be onto a winner. You can do stuff with the USB. It's a Linux operating system. You can program it in C. Robo Pro, never heard of that. You can link to your smartphone. Yada yada yada. All sounds very, very cool. But what's in the box? That's what I want to know. Well, that's not the right size, is it? So it comes in 2 packages. I haven't actually opened this properly yet. I only opened the box to see if there's something in it. So you get a big mat. So don't get me wrong, I'm having a look at what this stuff is. Oh, that's quite cool. You know, how can you tell to people what's a really good product if you've never ever tried other products that are in similar things? I'm an iOS developer that plays with Android, so I can say what the pros and cons of things are. That's the way I like to do it. That is a huge map with some swirly lights. All cool, but you get some stuff and some stuff. Again, you get them with LEGO. I think one of the things with these kind of robotic platforms, similar to Vex, and Vex is an awesome platform too, is at the end of the day, LEGO's generally designed for younger kids. Actually, this is 10 plus, and it's really sexy. Let's be honest. That's probably not the appropriate word for LEGO, but stuff made out of LEGO does look very good. Get a big brochure. As it said, it makes 14 models. That's pretty good, to be honest. Shows all different stuff. Stick in the camera. I like the fact they've got a big instruction book. Oh, one thing I did like. Where is it? It said high quality, made in Germany. Might be wondering. I just like the idea that, you know, people are proud that they built something in their country, if you know what I mean. So let's open this box as well, this accessory set that should actually just come with it anyway. Ooh. That's the battery. Again, it's a battery, it's not It's not the most beautiful thing in the world, but if it does the job, it is only a battery. Just adapter. And some wires and ends. And there's a switch. We'll find out what that does later. Okay, so that's the accessory kit opened. If you have any questions about this the FischerTechnik stuff, please do ask. Software included. Again, if I'm correct, currently if you buy the education set of Lego, the software isn't free, but I believe that's changing. Don't quote me, but at least you get software. You get some brochures about other stuff. I kind of feel a little bit sorry for FischerTechnik. Just for one thing is, they just don't seem to do very well on their reviews on Amazon. I mean, I don't know what goes wrong. Maybe the wrong people buy the brick for the wrong reason, or it's not as user friendly as it could be. But they just seem to not do well. That's the brain. That looks pretty cool. Power in. Okay, I want the motors. Feel quite heavy. Pins. Cool. They feel pretty good. Hopefully they're powerful. The thing that really excites me about this kit, a camera. You know, I really, if that works, that's really cool, because that's where we should be heading. I mean, you can do it with Lego and plug a camera into Legos or like EV3 Dev, but out of the box, you know, it's not the most simplest solution. Some pieces. What on earth is that? A ball. If any of you have played with FischerTechnik, please let me know. It'd be interesting to see what your experience is. So we have a cable. Look at them. I wonder what they're for. I mean, these parts, because of the size of it, you expect it to be part of a Warhammer game. A tyre. Guess they're all the connectors I need to add on. Again, it's all exciting stuff, but I'm not sure what 10-year-old is going to really want to stick them connectors on. Of course, I could be completely wrong. Again, like things like this, it looks like you have to put all the connectors on. I'm not against that. I'm really excited. But a kid, where are we? Look at that. I suppose if you take in mind that this is designed for the educational market, then they'll have a teacher. That's quite cute. Like the fact it's metal cogs and wires. So that is what's in it. Right. I'll build something and then show you the next video.